Video, I am going to teach you how to redeem a Valorant gift card step by step. Once you are on the home screen, look to the top right corner of the game window. There, you will see the Valorant Points icon. This is the section you need to open in order to redeem your gift card. Click on the Valorant Points icon in the top right corner. This will open the purchase window, where you normally buy Valorant points using different payment methods. In this section, you will see several payment options available. Since you are using a gift card, you will need to move through these options until you find the correct one. Now, look through the list of purchase methods and scroll toward the left until you see the option called Prepaid Cards and Codes. Keep scrolling carefully until it appears on your screen. Once you find Prepaid Cards and Codes, click on it to open the redemption page. After that, you will be given a field where you can enter the code from your Valorant gift card. Take the code from the card and type it in exactly as it appears. Make sure each letter and number is entered correctly so the system can recognize it without any errors. If needed, check the code one more time before continuing. That is the full process for redeeming a Valorant gift card.